I'm Jeff Poquette. I'm one of the owners of Southside Wrecker. The average day for a wrecker driver is pretty hard to describe because every day is different. You never know what call's going to come in, and that kind of adds to the excitement of the job. You know, for the most part, it's just simple breakdowns on the side of the road. Trucks give out. Sometimes they run out of fuel. The feeling you get when you first receive a call is a feeling of the unknown. And that's part of the excitement of the job, not knowing what's coming. And the entire time going to that scene, you're wondering what you're actually going to run into and what you're actually going to see. One thing that's fairly unique to Southside Wrecker and how we operate is when we do arrive, the first thing we want to do is make sure that customer is safe. And we do that by asking them to get into the cab of our truck and put their seatbelt on, because we're probably going to be outside for another 30 minutes or so, hooking up to their truck or their car, and we want them safe, and we believe the safest place for our customers is in the cab of our truck. As an owner, you always hope that the public sees you in the same light as you want to see yourself. I believe we do that. Our staff, from dispatch to drivers, their names are included in a lot of our 5-star reviews. You want the entire public out there to see you in that light. Just see Southside the same way you want to project Southside. The feeling a wrecker driver gets at the end of a job, whether it's just a simple disablement tow or a 10-hour heavy recovery that you're out on, it's usually not you alone that accomplished it. You accomplished it with your team. Everybody goes home with a sense of accomplishment. It's really great.